Hi, this is Kevin with KGMJAM, owner of Pro Advertisers Club, a totally free site to advertise. Go to proadvertisersclub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free. Okay, here's the standard pack. These aren't selling out very quick. There's still probably about 80% left, so I don't know. Usually these packs sell out pretty darn quick. But anyway, this is the standard pack, and it's got 5 collectibles in it. Okay, let's see if I can get this to move. Oh, I want it to. There we go. Okay, mint 537,609. That's a common. Willie Adams again, but this one's a rare, 193,264. This one's a rare, Alex Bregman, 75 of 261. Uncommon, 168 of 484. And a rare, Ord Solar, 125, 260. All right, this standard is way better than the premium's $100, and you get 8 cards. And I only got an uncommon in those, and this is $20 for the standard. I got 3 rares and an uncommon. So the standard pack for $20 was way better than the premium. The only difference I can see is that you get better odds on getting the epics and the legendaries. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.